Hello, welcome to STEM School. In this lesson, we are going to go through Math Gauss Contest selected problems.
Okay, so for the first question, how many 5-cent coins are needed to make 25 cents? So for this one, we use 25 divided by 5, which give us 5. So the answer is E. So we need 5 cent coins. Second one, which of the following shapes has the vertical line of symmetry? So if a figure has a vertical line of symmetry, then when it is reflected in or folded along its vertical line, the two halves of the figure are identical to one another. So all these figures, the only thing we can choose is E, which is a rectangle. So number 3, which of the following number is the largest? So all the given numbers, only 1.32 and 1.03 are greater than 1. So all we need is to compare B and D. Okay, so since the 10th digit of 1.32 is 3, so which is greater than the 10th point of 1.03, which is 0. So 1.32 is the largest. So number 4, 50% of n is 24. The value of n is, okay, so we can use the equation. So 50% times n equals to 2024, right? So we need to find the value of n. And we know that 50% actually is 0.5. So it's 0.5 n equals to 2024. So n is 2024 divided by 0.5, which is 4048. Answer is 4048. Okay. So number 5, Ryan recorded the distance in kilometers that he ran on each day from Monday to Friday as shown. The total distance of run over the 5 days is, okay, so we need to point out the distance for each of the day. Okay, so the first day is 2 on Monday, and 4 on Tuesday, 6 on Wednesday, 5 on Thursday, and 3 on Friday. So all we need to do is to add them together. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3, so which is 20. So the answer is D, 20. Okay. So number 6, when the number 11 is increased by 2 and the result is then multiplied by 3, the final value is, so 11 increased by 2, which is 13, and 13 multiplied by 3, which is 39. So the answer is 39. 7, the value of A that satisfies the equation 15 plus A is 10 is, okay, so find value of the unknown numbers, right? So for this case, A equals to, we minus 15 on both sides, so which will give us the left only A, and the right is 10 minus 15, which is negative 5. B. Okay, so next, number 8. In the diagram, angle ABC is a straight angle. Okay, straight angle is 180 degree, right? So the value of the x, okay, so ABC, okay, so we can use angle ABC is 180. So 180 has already subtract 40 degree, which is the first angle we can see in the graph, and then 140 has been divided by 2 equal angles, which is x, right? So each of them is 70 degree, which is D, okay? So number 9, in a drawer, the ratio of the number of spoons to the number of forks is 1 to 2, okay? Spoon to fork is 1 to 2. The total number of the spoons and the forks in the drawer cannot be equals to, okay, so we can see its ratio. So the answer should be a multiply of 3. Okay, so separate into groups of 3. So then in this case, 12 are divisible by 3, right? 6 also divisible by 3, 18 also divisible by 3, 3 is also divisible by 3, right? So the only thing we can't choose is D, 10, okay? Number 10, in the diagram, a square with side length 6 is partially shaded. Okay, the big square, the side length is 6. The largest shade area is square with side length of 3. Okay, so this is 3. The other 2 shaded area are square with 2 and 1. What is the total area of the unshaded region? Okay, so in order to find the unshaded region, we need to find the shaded region area, right? Then we can use the total, subtract the shaded region. Okay, so first we need to find the total area, which is 6 times 6, 36. Then the shaded is 3 times 3 plus 2 times 2 plus 1, 1 times 1, sorry. 1 times 1, not 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1, okay? 1 times 1, so it's 9 plus 4 plus 1, which is 14. Okay, so the unshaded will be 36 minus 14, which is 22. Yeah, okay, so answer is C.
That's everything for today's lesson. Please click like if you like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.